Hey, what is going on? What is going on? Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Chisom. I'm from Nigeria but living here in Poland. This is if you have not seen me for the first time, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back here to watch my videos. I love you so much. You are the best. So on today's video, I'll be doing unboxing. Yeah. $210cm ring lights, 210cm tripod, and this tripod for camera, and also a phone holder. Will I call it a phone holder and tripod? So I'll be unboxing these three items. Stay tuned, guys. This is the lights. I used to have the black one, but it got broken. It has two LED lights. You can turn off here. On. It's on. Off. And it has remote, Bluetooth remote, so you can detach and take selfie. Can also leave it here. And take selfie. But you really have to connect it to your Bluetooth. If not, it won't work. So you connect it to your Bluetooth. This one you can adjust here. See? You can adjust. You can adjust. You can take it up straight. Anyhow you want. Now you can open here and stand this. You can also record something you are cooking, or maybe something you are doing. You can record it this way. So it's very easy and simple to use. I'm here to buy my ring light, yay, with my hubby. Yes.
Okay. For this meters,
Crystal ring.
statyw 2 metry 210 centymetrów, yes?
Yeah.
But price, this is small. 87 zł.
It's
But it's small. Yes?
too small.
Ring 26
centimeter.
cm. Yes, and this is very,
Maybe for table.
yes.
Because it's short.
Yes.
Okay. I'm going to be unboxing my ring light. This is Lampa LED ring lamp with 210 cm tripod. The next one is this tripod for camera. This one, if you want to close, you close here. Let's try and fix the camera. You have to open here. Open it. Close. Woohoo! Camera is here. How do you see this? I love this one the most. So this is not just tripod for camera, you can actually use it for your phone. It has a phone holder. This tripod can rotate up, down, left and right. It is very flexible. You can also use it to shoot self-portraits, selfies. You can take full pictures of yourself without finding anyone to take these pictures for you. This tripod also provides stability. It helps you keep your camera stable in just one position. It slows you down in a good way. You don't need to rush because you know how holding your phone can really stress you out. So this tripod will make everything easier for you when recording. We have come to the end of this video. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you like, comment and share. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so. Until next time, see you guys. Bye bye.